Today I'm going to show you how to unlock access to transfer market on the web application in FIFA 22. There are 3 ways to unlock web application access in FIFA 22. I'm going to explain them as much as I can. Never try to contact e-advisor. They can give you grant access to the web transfer market. And also they can tell you when you will get access. If this video did help you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe down below. Don't worry, I will make quick explain because I know everyone watching this video is curious about how to unlock web application access in FIFA 22. So let's get into it. Number 1, play by the Fifa Rules to unlock the transfer market on web application. It means they are checking your account history, and if it's in good standing by following their rules or not, then they will check how many different FAT accounts you are using on the same console and how many active days of FAT you have played on your console. So what I would recommend to play FIFA Rule is, number 1, create new FAT FIFA account. You can check how to create FAT account video link in my description. Number 2, play at least 3 matches per day. Number 3, don't create more than 2 FAT accounts on your console. That means if you share your console with siblings or your friends who also play FAT, it may take more time to get access on each FAT account. Number 4, very important, don't buy coin and don't find coin on that account until you get web application access. It means just play matches and you can buy players and can save players for SPC and for your competition matches. But don't make too much profits by trading on that account until you get web application access. You can trade players who you don't want anymore in your club, and you can buy players who you need them in your club. But don't use more than 30% of your transfer market. After a few days, when you get some coin, buy some inform cash, special cash or icon and use them in your match and then sell them back. It makes your account look like good standing like a human. It may give you web application access after 2 weeks or 3 weeks if you play by FIFA Rules. Most people say they play too many matches but can't get access to web application. I know they are buying coin, trading match, or they may miss day to play 3 matches per day, or they create many FAT accounts on the same console. And number 2, buy new console. Brand new console. Don't buy second-hand console. It may already create FAT account on it, and you can have web application access in short days. After you bought brand new console, it means PS4, PS5 or Xbox, create new FAT FIFA account and play by first rule. Play by FIFA Rules I already mentioned above. I'm sure you will get access in 3 or 5 days. Then after you got access, just create one more FAT account and play again by FIFA Rules. After 1 week, you will get access for second FAT account. Then create new FAT account and play by FIFA Rules. This time it takes 3 weeks to get access web application for that FAT account. Then you won't have any web application access for next more account, no matter how hard you try on that console, because they already give you 3 web application access on this brand new console. Okay, let's go to the number 3. Number 3, buying FIFA 22 web application unlock account. I know it is funny, but it may cost you money. It makes you a lot easier and save time to get web application access account. So go to www.gdg.com or create account and sign in and search for FIFA 22 web application seller. Contact them for price and buy web application account from them. Boom, done. By the way, I'm the G2G coin and the account seller. You can check my profile link in my description. Okay guys, it is how to make web application access account. I hope you guys see my video useful and enjoying it. Please subscribe for the next coming FIFA 22 tutorial video.